Para mukhang matangos, diba? Ayan, tangos na. Kabilang side naman. Ito yung good side ko. So, glowy. Hi mga ka-Lazada! Welcome back to Lazada Philippines YouTube channel. I'm Marj Maroket and I'm so excited to be back and share with you guys another easy makeup tutorial. I'll be doing the clean girl makeup look, one of my favorite looks to do, using products worth 500 pesos or less. So, this is perfect if you're a busy person and you're looking for a quick makeup routine, or if you're just starting out with makeup and you're looking for affordable products. Make sure to watch closely because we have hidden vouchers throughout the video, and we're also giving away a 10,000 peso Lazada voucher so you can start adding ganda to life. But before that, please hit like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you're always updated on new uploads. Okay, let's begin. Here's my clean girl makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna start with hydrating my face. I'll be using the Clutch Flame TLC spray. This just feels so good on the skin. It really does hydrate my skin in preparation for makeup. I'm just gonna fan until my skin absorbs all that goodness. Okay, next I'm gonna use my SC&Co Active Skin Tint. I'm in the shade Sienna. This is my favorite skin tint of all time, and I just like to apply this with my fingers. So I apply it like how I would apply my moisturizer. I feel like it ends up looking better than using a brush or a sponge. So the reason why I love the clean girl makeup, because it looks so put together but you're just using minimal products. Once you've applied the skin tint with your fingers, that's when I use a damp sponge and just press it in and make sure that the skin tint is well blended and wala siyang streaks. Before I proceed with the rest of my face, I will prep my lips with the Strokes Silk Kiss in the shade My Lips But Better. It's also important to moisturize your lips before you do your entire makeup routine, so later when you apply your lip products, your lips aren't dry. Next, I'll be using the BLK Life Proof Airy Concealer. I'm in the shade Chestnut, and I'll be using this on my under eyes, around my nose because I have redness on this area, between my eyebrows, my chin, and I will also be concealing my blemishes right here. I'm gonna let my concealer set a little, but while waiting, I'm gonna apply my Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint in the shade Honey to contour. I like putting it on the back of my hand. Parang the back of my hand is my mixing palette. I take my brush, pack it with the product, and then I contour like this, and then blend upwards. I also contour my jaw, make sure it's well blended. So ayan, diba? We're looking more chiseled and sculpted. I'm gonna do that on the other side. If you run out of product, you can always just keep adding. Back to the concealer, I'm gonna take my damp sponge again and start blending. Now to my favorite part, blush. I'm gonna be using the Strokes Crush Blush in the shade Gorge. And how I like to use this is warm it up with my finger, swirl it around the product, dab the product onto my cheek, and then I take my blush brush and blend. I also like adding a little on my nose to give that sun-kissed effect. Sunny's Face Air Blush in the shade Sculpt to Bronze. Gonna use a brush and bronze my forehead. By the way, all of these products are available at Beauty by Lasmall, your beauty destination, where you can enjoy up to 80% off on all things beauty. So get this, there are 80,000 brands and deals at Beauty by Lasmall, so I'm sure there's something for you. I'll also be using the air blush to add a little bit of color to my lids, just applying with my fingers and blending it upwards. Since we're going for that minimal look, one shade of eyeshadow will do. I'm gonna go back to my Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint in the shade Honey because I'll be sculpting my nose a little bit. Para mukhang matangos, diba? I'm using this brush from Real Techniques to blend. Ayan. Tangos na. Lash Flame Dream Filter in the shade Cloud to set the areas that get oily throughout the day. I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush, one of my favorite brushes for setting powder. And I'm just gonna set my under eyes, my forehead, around my nose, the center of my nose. And I also want to clean up my contour a little bit. So I'm gonna put it right under my contour. Time for brows. I'm gonna use my Vice Gandoll Micro Brow in the shade Natural Brown. I'm gonna brush my hair upwards first. And then I'm gonna take the pencil side and start to outline my brows. The tail I like to extend a bit. I also outline the top part. After outlining, that's when I fill it in using hair-like strokes. So guys, add to cart and check out now to enjoy free shipping as fast as 3 days in Metro Manila and up to 5 times voucher stacking for more discounts. To add more volume, I'm gonna use the Visco Gandoll Volumizing Brow Gel in the shade Ash Brown. This will help make my brows appear thicker and it gives hold to the brows as well. Nakukulangan ako sa blush, so I'll be adding more using the Choo Choo Beauty Bento in the shade Peach Please. So this is actually an eyeshadow quad, but it has powder blush at the back. So I love this. It's great for travel. And if you know me, I always put powder blush on top of my cream blush. Yan, diba? The difference it makes. Sometimes I like adding blush on my forehead as well. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Then I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This is the waterproof version, and apply on my lashes. This just really lengthens and keeps the curl of my lashes throughout the day. Plus, it's waterproof. Look at the difference between my lashes here and here, diba? Vice Multi-Ganda One and Done Stick in the shade Society to highlight. For this, I like to use my finger to just warm up the product. Tap off the excess and then pat it on the high points of my face for that added glow. I also like to apply it on the bridge of my nose, the tip, and also my inner corners. I'm gonna line my lips with the Detail Cosmetics Clay Pen in the shade Clay. This is my favorite product to line my lips with. I'm slightly gonna overline my top lip. Lastly, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in the shade Peachy. And I'll be putting it on the center of my lips, blending it in with the lip liner. By the way, guys, mark your calendars because we will be celebrating National Lipstick Day this July 28 to 31 with prices up to 50% off. Okay, I'm done. This is the final look, diba? Super easy. Did you catch our surprise hidden vouchers? If not, no worries because you can still win a 10,000 peso Lazada voucher by following these steps. Number 1, like this video. Second, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And 3, comment why you deserve to win with the hashtags add to cart, add to life, and hashtag beauty by Lazmall. So yeah, that's it. The winner will be announced in our YouTube community page and our Lazada Philippines socials. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you liked my version of the clean girl makeup look. So again, all the product links are in the description box down below. Thank you mga ka-Lazada for watching. Don't forget to add to cart, add ganda to life. Bye! Click the Lazada icon to subscribe for more helpful videos and giveaways.